Hello children, we are back again with a new chapter, that is organic chemistry. What is organic? Organic means pertaining to life, means originated from life. So what are organic compounds? In the old concept, it was said that organic compounds are obtained from living sources. Means the compounds which are obtained from living sources, they are called organic compounds, like sugar, cellulose, starch, and many more things. But this old concept was not true. Then the new concept came that according to new concept, the organic compounds are the compounds which have carbon as essential element, which have organic compounds are the compounds which have carbon as essential element. They are called organic compounds, but excluding oxides of carbon, that is carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, then metallic carbonates, then metallic cyanides and metallic carbonates. So according to the new concept that organic compounds are the compounds which contain carbon as essential element, but excluding the oxides of carbon, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, they are the inorganic compounds, although they are having carbon into it. Metallic carbonates like sodium carbonate, this is having carbon into it, but this is not organic. Metallic cyanides like potassium cyanide, although this is having carbon into it, but this is not organic. Metallic carbides, that is Al4C3 like, and this also contains carbon, but this is not organic. And in the old concept, it was said that organic compounds, they are obtained from the nature only. There is a vital force in nature which prepare these organic compounds. But this theory was discarded by Friedrich Wöhler, a scientist who synthesized organic compound in the laboratory. And the first organic compound prepared in the laboratory, that is urea. First organic compound prepared in the laboratory, that is urea, and it was prepared from inorganic compound, that is ammonium cyanate. This is ammonium cyanate. And when this compound is heated, then this formed urea, NH2CO, NH2, this is urea, and this is inorganic compound. And this is the organic compound. So first organic compound prepared in the laboratory, that is urea, and it is prepared from ammonium cyanide. And this type of reaction, here only the rearrangement of atoms is there, so they are called isomerization reaction. And who prepared this first organic compound in the laboratory? And the name of the scientist is Friedrich Wöhler. Friedrich Wöhler, he prepared the first organic compound in the laboratory. And from which compound it was prepared? It was prepared from ammonium cyanide. And which organic compound is prepared? That is urea. And later on, many organic compounds were prepared in the laboratory. Now come to the what is organic chemistry? Organic chemistry. So what is organic chemistry? It is a branch of science in which we study carbon compounds excluding the oxides of carbon, metallic carbonates, metallic cyanides, and metallic carbons. So organic chemistry, that is the chemistry of carbon compounds, or we can say it is the chemistry of hydrocarbons and their derivatives. It is the chemistry of hydrocarbons and their derivatives. Now what are hydrocarbons? Hydrocarbons, they are the compounds of carbon and hydrogen. Compounds of carbon and hydrogen, they are called hydrocarbons, and the chemistry of hydrocarbons and their derivatives, that is called organic chemistry. Now, while this organic chemistry is studied as a separate branch of chemistry, why this organic chemistry is studied as a separate branch of chemistry, this is due to the formation of millions of compounds, nearly 5 million organic compounds are known. 5 million organic compounds are known to us, and every year thousands of new compounds are added. So it is difficult to study all the inorganic and organic compounds together. So this is studied as a separate branch of chemistry. And now why these compounds are more in number? Why these compounds are millions in number? This is due to the unique property of carbon. Some unique properties of carbon. And first unique property of carbon, that is tetra valency. Tetra means 4. As you know that carbon is having atomic number 6. And if we write the configuration, then K shell is having 2 electrons and L shell is having 4 electrons. So this is very difficult for the carbon to have stable configuration by gaining the 4 electron or by losing these 4 electrons due to energy considerations. So carbon can form bonds with other carbon or with other elements with the sharing of electrons. So carbon usually forms covalent bond. So carbon can form 4 covalent bonds as it is having 4 electrons in their outermost shell. So this can form the 4, this is central carbon, and 4 other bonds can be formed with the other carbons, and this structure of carbon, this is called tetrahedral. So carbon shows valency 4, and it can form 4 bonds with other elements or with other carbon. So this is formed by sharing of electrons, and covalent bonding is there, and it shows the tetravalency. Second is, that is catenation. Catenation. Now what is catenation? That is the self-linking property of atoms of element by through covalent bond to form straight chain, branched chain, or ring chain. So what is catenation? Catenation is the self-linking property of an atom of an element. Carbon can link with the other carbon. So that is catenation, and that is by covalent bond, and it can form straight chain, it can form branch chain, or it can form ring chain. How this straight chain is formed? Straight chain. Suppose 6 carbon are there, and one carbon can form 4 bonds, as it is tetravalent. So 4 bonds of carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4. Same way, this is also having 1, 2, 3, 4. As all the carbons are there in a single line, so this is the straight chain. Now branched chain. Branch chain means 6 carbon, 4 are there in the chain, and 2 are there as branches. 4 bonds of each carbon. So this is branch chain with the 6 carbon. Next is ring chain or closed chain. That is 6 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And one carbon can form how many bonds? 4 bonds. 2 are there, so 2 more. So this way, this is ring chain. Not only that, carbon can form single bond, double bond, or triple bond. So single bond, like 4, 5, 6, single bond is there. Carbon, carbon, single bond. This is single bond. Double bond. As 6 carbon are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And at one place put the double bond and make 4 bonds of each carbon complete. 1, 2, 3 are there, 1 is needed, 1, 2, 3 are there, 1 is, and this way all carbon they are having 4 bonds. Or it can form triple bond also. Triple bond, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. At any place, triple bond, 3 bonds, 1 is needed, 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. So all the 4 bonds of each carbon should be completed. So why these organic compounds are millions in number? That is due to the unique property of carbon. The first one is tetravalency and second is catenation. With the catenation, it can form straight chain. When the straight chain is there, name of the compound is different. When branch is there, name is different, compound is different. And when the ring chain is there, the compound is different. So these two reasons are there why organic compounds are millions in number and why this is studied as a separate branch of chemistry due to the millions of compounds. Thank you.